everybody, we made it, week 16. We just have this week and finals left, so we are here. So for week 16, we are working on our peer review for our business projects. You're going to work with your partner to review your emails, and I'll go over that in a second. Once you are done with the peer review, you want to make sure that all of your emails are in a single Word document and formatted as one, as it is in the sample, but it's still set up like an email. So we still have our to, from, subject line. You need to submit your partner email exchange and then work on your reflection for the business project. Other assignments that you should be working on this week is the final exam for our study guide. This will help you prepare for the final exam. And then there is an anonymous chorus reflection. It's just a survey that just asks you questions about my class so I can get some feedback and look at how to improve the chorus for next year, or next semester rather. And then lastly, you have I just want to remind you of the extra credit. Remember, most of the scholarships are closed at this point, but if you find any that are open and you want to apply, you can get extra credit if you didn't do so back when we were doing the scholarship essay. So this was due December 9th. Looking ahead to week 17, we do have our final exam. Also remember that your final exam is a multiple choice test. The window will open Sunday, December 12th and close Tuesday, December 14th. So anytime in there, you can take the final exam. Once you start the exam, it does have to be completed. So once you start it, you have to finish it. If you exit out before you're done, it will count answers that you have not marked wrong. So make sure you complete it in one sitting. But you can do it anytime in that window. It is not timed. It is open note. So feel free to take your time doing it. Just make sure you set up enough time during that time to finish it. Once you start it, you got to finish it. And that's kind of taking us through the week. So I just want to quickly go over the peer review for the business project. So in step 1, you're going to transfer your emails to a single Word document in the order that they were assigned. So scenario 1, partner 1's reprimand to the employee would come first. Then scenario 1, partner 2's response to the reprimand would come second, and so on. You want to make sure that each email is on its own page of the Word document and ensure that it's formatted like an email, the to, from, subject line, greeting, body, closure, and signature. Also make sure that the spacing is appropriate for an email, not set up like an essay. So it doesn't have to be double spaced with a header or anything like that. It needs to still, as best as we can, look like an email, but on a Word document. The last page should then be a reference or works cited page for the sources that you used in the business emails. So that way I can check your sources and just make sure that we are using valid sources for it. Step 2 is then to read through the emails again, note any areas that you can improve or change, review the rubric requirements and make sure that you've met all the requirements that were listed in the assignment directions. Use the rubric to actually grade each other and make sure that you are being critical and evaluating, and then edit. So make sure everything is edited to the fullest extent. And then if you need to, you can use the Learning Success Center, which offers free tutoring if you need to. And then for this assignment, you're going to use the text box to answer these questions. So just copy and paste it, and then each partner needs to answer the questions. Okay? And that's how you do the peer review. Other than that, your email project should be set to go, and then both you and your partner need to submit it to the assignment link. So make sure both of you submit. As always, you each get your own points in the grade book, so you've got to submit it. Okay? What else? The final exam study guide is here to help you prepare for the final exam. It walks you through all of the content that we covered this semester, from essay structure to thesis statement to Toolman model to MLA, all of the things that we've covered this semester. So just use the prior modules to fill it out to the best of your ability. Feel free to email me any questions if you hit any. And then the last one is the anonymous survey, which helps me grow as an instructor. So you're going to click on the link. It will take you to the Google form. Once you get to the end of the Google form, you'll reach a thank you for your response screen. Please make sure you screenshot this screen and submit it here. If you don't submit the screenshot, I don't have any way of knowing that you did it because the survey itself is anonymous. So this is the only proof that you have that you did it, is by submitting the end screenshot here. And that's kind of it. Other than that, you're just going to do your final exam anytime during the window. and we are done. That's our semester. Congrats, great job. I know that some weeks were tougher than others, but you pushed through and you made it. So congratulations. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm still here for office hours or help if you need it. Good luck.